Hello everyone, let's discuss estimation and costing. So first of all, what is estimation? The definition of estimation will be a scientific way of working out the approximate cost of an engineering project before the execution of the work. So we want to know what will be the cost of the project before it has started, before we have decided that if we are going to construct it or not. Okay, beforehand we want to know what is the cost. So that is estimation. We try to find out what will be the total cost at the end of the project. So for doing a proper estimation, we will have to know the type of construction, what will be the method used, how much materials will be required, how much labors will be required, what is the cost of the material, what is the cost of the labor, then what are the types of equipments that we will be requiring, then what are the skilled persons that we have to hire, etc. So all these things we have to know, we have to have a solid idea, then only we will be able to do a proper estimation. Then what is estimate? It is the outcome, it is the cost of the project, it is the outcome of the estimation process. Okay, at the end of the estimation we will say that this project will require this much amount of money and this much resources. So that is estimate. Now it is said that a good estimate will be that one when you will be having a value which will not differ from the actual value at the end of the project by 5%. Okay, so then only it will be a good estimate. Then what are the units of measurement? In which units we do the measurement, how we do the measurements? First, we know that the order of booking is length, breadth, and height of the items of work. Okay, if we have to measure for a wall or a beam or a column, first we will write what is the length, what is the breadth, and what is the height. Then we will find out the volume and what is the total work. This is the order of booking. Then what are the units of measurement? So single units like doors, windows, etc., they will be expressed in numbers. Then there will be certain things like fencing, handrail, those things will be expressed in running meters. That we have 4 meters length of fencing we have to use, and the cost per meter is this much. So this is the total cost. That way it will go. Then there will be some certain items, some items such as the whitewashing or the plastering works, and there we will use the square meters. Okay, that this amount of square meter, for example 10 square meter of plastering work has to be done. Okay, and the cost per square meter is this much. That type of work we will do, and then in that cases what we will do, we will mention the thickness of the work. Say we will say that 12 mm thick plastering for an area of 10 square meter, that way. And then certain works like the cement concreting work, RCC work, PCC work, those things will be mentioned in cubic meters. Fine. Then what is the requirement of estimation and costing? What is the need? Okay, basic thing is that whenever we are going to construct something, if we are the owner, then we will want to know what will be the total cost. Will it be beneficial for me? Okay, if the government wants to do, they also want to know that will it be beneficial, will it be adding a monetary value or social value to the economy, is it profitable to construct it? Okay, so the government or the client will be requiring this information, that will it be beneficial. Basic thing, will it be beneficial, should I go forward with this project? There we have to know. Therefore we do the estimation. We will do the estimation, we will find out, okay, if I go with this project I will require this much amount of money. Then I will see that will it be beneficial, will it be profitable. If it is profitable, then I will obviously go for this project. If it is not, then I will try to do something else. I may cancel the project, or I may redefine or remodify the project. Fine. So that is the basic thing.